Interior part. The interior section is installed. The cabin is attached with Velcro. Stick it on and then knock it well. Each interior panel has a fixed number, and install them in the corresponding positions. Now we are arranging the muffler pipe. Start from the position of the door. Arrange them in sequence according to the internal pipe openings. Finally, arrange them to the corner of the cabin. There are 3 silencers. Insert it into this port. Now rearrange another pipe. Starting from the top. And then insert it into the top silencer. Leave a length of about 20 centimeters here. The last pipe needs to be connected to a connector. Leave a section here. It doesn't need to be too long. This is the muffler tube. Insert it into the reserved at the top first. The short one here also needs to be connected. After that, clip it in the frame. Later, the interior panel will be installed. Here, for these two, the muffler pipes are connected. Now let's look at the last muffler. Along its wiring to the door position, we also need to configure 2 mufflers here. It's connected to a 3-tube joint, 1 on each side. Install the equipment belt and the belt light. Equipment belt. There are 3 wires. Yellow to yellow, white to blue, red to red, are the same. Each one needs to be wrapped with electrical tape. Reserve about 1 meter in length. If not enough, you can connect. This is about the length. Use electrical tape to wrap the wires on both sides. Wrap them into 3 strands according to the same color. Blue to blue, yellow to yellow, red to red. Each one is the same. Place the display on the device belt. Then you need to drive in the hook to fix the screen. Then screw it in. All 4 corners need to be screwed. This emergency stop button is also installed on the belt. We need to install a buckle to tighten it. Now let's install the interior panel. Each of our interior panels has a marking number on the back, and stick it on the corresponding position according to the mark. We need to reserve a board here. This is the panel under the air conditioner. Needs to be fixed with a few screws. The air conditioner's exhaust vent. Each interior panel has a fixed number, and install it in the corresponding position. This equipment belt needs to be fixed with 6 screws. Now fix this equipment belt. Six screws are needed at each point. Clean the interior of the cabin and install the interior panels. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean the cabin, to clean the dust in each grid. A bead is needed in the middle of each panel. Each interior panel has a marked number on the back, and install it in the corresponding position. It's the same here. It's also one board with a bead. Now we need to lay an oxygen tube here, from this side of the door to the other side of the cabin. Follow the reserved openings in the cabin. If the interior panel has been installed, you can remove this board first, and then install it. Follow the pipes to this corner. To this corner. And leave about 30 centimeters. Install this interior panel, and leave about 40 centimeters of pipe. Make a small hole in this interior panel. This black line is the intercom line. And leave about 40 centimeters in length.